Car Story research indicates this vehicle as certified pre-owned, a good deal, and loaded with features. Features also include heated seats, rear view camera, hands-free Bluetooth integration, sun moonroof, third row seating, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2016 Pilot. Optimal utility, indulgent interior, powerful performer. You'll be ready for almost anything in the Honda Pilot and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, anti-lock braking system, navigation system, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, air conditioning, moonroof, power steering, home link garage door opener, cruise control. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.
With Honda certified pre-owned vehicles, you know you're going to be taken care of. Thorough inspections, both limited and powertrain warranties, all provide the comfort you're looking for in a pre-owned vehicle. Stop by your local Honda dealer today to see why the Honda certified program is worth looking into.